Hello and welcome to Victor Shamaki, and in this video tutorial on short media we're going to be looking at how to create picture in picture. Alright, so we have these two pictures and we want one to be like an embedment of the other one, and then the other one too. Alright, so we're just going to get right into it. So to do that, you go to overlay, and on overlay you set this numbers of screens 1 2 3 4. You set any number you want to use as an overlay. Then I'm going to use number 2 as that, and then I'm going to change it to picture in picture. So once you change it to picture in picture, it allows. Now if let's look at something. When it's on full screen, see that none of these things are activated. So once I switch it to picture in picture, we have this, and then all of these are active. Supposedly it was full screen like this, so it allows you to be able to reduce it and adjust it to where you want it to be, and then you can make adjustment to all of this where you want it to be. If you want it to be down or up, you make adjustment. Now once you're done with all of that, you can change the color style to, let's say, black, and the border to 2, and then you have to click on OK. So as this video is playing,
Hallelujah.
now I want this to come up, so I'm going to use number 2. Now it's going to come up right here. Now if I want it to be full screen, I'll now right click on it, then it will go full screen. If I right click again, it comes down. But I'm saying that it is too big, so let's go and have a reduction of it. So we reduce it and put it so that it does not cover the screen of the main video. So I'm going to click on 2 again, and this is perfect. So if anytime I want it to be full screen, I right click on it, you see it becomes full screen. If I right click again, it goes back down to where it was. So basically this is how you can create picture in picture. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.